Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this LinkedIn tools automation platform, which is WeConnect. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about WeConnect. WeConnect is a LinkedIn automation tool that helps you send connections requests, messages, and follow up automatically. It's cloud-based, easy to use, and integrates with LinkedIn emails to simplify lead generation and also create marketers or sales teams looking to scale outreach quickly. It offers a solid automation at fair price. However, automation comes with risk. Using such tools can violate LinkedIn rules and lead to account restriction. So some users also mention bugs and limited analytics. So in my conclusion, the WeConnect app is still great for fast and affordable LinkedIn outreach, but it's not ideal if you value account safety or detailed campaign control. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.